Welcome to Hyper Ride, where today we're diving into the Aprilia RSV4 factory, Italy's ultimate track weapon wrapped in stunning red-blue racing livery. This bike isn't just about looks. Its 1078cc V4 engine delivers 217 horsepower, screaming to 300 kilometers per hour top speed with that signature V4 roar. Packed with Aprilia's APRC electronics suite including traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. It handles like a dream on circuits while its aerodynamic carbon fiber winglets and allens. Suspension scream pure racing pedigree though. Designed for track dominance, this Italian masterpiece remains surprisingly rideable on roads, making it the perfect blend of extreme performance and real-world usability. If luxury superbikes get your heart racing, this might just be your ultimate machine.